This video is going to explain about basic option strategy focused on payoff diagram. First, I would like to explain about introduction to payoff diagram. So what is payoff diagram? Payoff diagram is a diagram where you plot your profit and loss from the investment strategy against the market price of the asset. So if you look at this payoff diagram, okay, the y-axis represent the profit or loss, where the x-axis represent the market price of the underlying asset. So the top area of the diagram represent the profit area, and the bottom area represent the loss area. So you can see that at the middle of y-axis, it is a zero, where it represents zero profit at zero market price. So how to draw a payoff diagram? Okay, so let's say you buy stock at RM 4 ringgit. Okay, so you buy shares at RM 4 ringgit. So when investor buys stock, the current market price will become the selling price of the investor to sell back the stock. So you need to calculate the profit and loss for each market price of share. So let's say you buy stock at RM4, that's mean you buy at point B. Okay, so let's say we assume current market price is 4 and your buying price is 4. So you assume that current market price is your selling price. So the formula profit and loss is selling price minus buying price. So 4 minus 4, you get 0. Let's say we assume the price of share moved to the point A, where the current market price is at 2 ringgit. So that 2 ringgit is become your selling price. So the profit is selling minus buying. So you sell at 2 and buy at 4 ringgit. So your profit is negative 2. Next, we assume the price moved to the point C, where the market price is at 6 ringgit. So the current market price is 6 ringgit. That means you sell your shares at 6 ringgit. So your profit is selling price 6 minus buying price 4. So your profit is 2. So from this information, you have the market price and then you have the profit from your trading strategy. So you can draw the payoff diagram. Okay, so you transfer the information. So you transfer the information into payoff diagram for long stock. Long means buy, or your strategy, you buy stock. So you have 3 points here. You have point A, if the market price at 2 ringgit, you get a loss of 2 ringgit. That means you get negative 2. If the market price at 4, if you buy stock at 4 ringgit, your profit is 0. And if you market price at 6, you buy stock at 4, that means your profit is 2. So you have point A, B, and C. When you draw a straight line from point A to point B and to point C, you get the payoff diagram for your investment strategy, which is you buy stock at 4 ringgit. So this is a payoff diagram. Now I would like to explain about the payoff diagram for basic option strategies. Okay, so when you look at this example, okay, this is example for one of the basic option strategies. The red line represent the payoff line of option strategy. So you must remember the shape of the payoff line. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, there are 2 points that you need to label in your diagram. The first one, when you see your diagram, there is a payoff line change the direction, then you must label that point with the exercise price of option contract. Okay, so option exercise price or strike price of option contract, you need to label it when the payoff line change the direction. Next, the second point that you need to label in your payoff line is the break-even price. So break-even price, you put it when the payoff line intersect with the market price line. So you can see that when MP line, market price line, is equal to payoff line, or basically payoff line intersect with MP, market price line, so that is a point where you should label your diagram with the break-even price of your option strategy. Okay, next we look at the basic option strategies. So what is basic option strategies? Basic option strategies is option trading strategy by using only one options contract. Okay, so in basic option strategy, investor use only one option contract. So we have 4 types of strategy. The first one, we call it as a long call. The second one is short call. The third one is long put. And the last one is a short put. What is long? Long is buy, short means sell. So long call means your strategy, you buy call option, only one contract. Short call means you sell call option. Long put, you buy put option. And short put, you sell put option. So basic option strategy, you only use one option contract. So this is the summary, basic strategies of option. So to answer option question, you must remember this table, okay? So if you look at this table, we have 2 parts of the table. The first part represents the formula and the shape of the payoff diagram. So the first part of the table, you need to remember it because you need to use all those formulas and the diagram to draw the payoff diagram. Okay, so to draw the payoff diagram, for example, the long call, you must remember the shape of the payoff diagram, and then you need to know what is the formula for maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price. Okay, the second part of the diagram, if you look at the yellow part of the diagram, that is formula for profit and loss. Okay, so that's mean to calculate profit and loss for long call, you need to choose the formula, whether you want to use formula for market price higher than exercise price, or you want to use formula for market price less than exercise price. Okay, so I will talk later about the formula profit and loss. So these are the symbols used in the table. So MP represent market price of share, XP represent exercise price or strike price of option contract, PRM represent the premium or price of option, plus FV, that's mean for positive sign, minus VE, that is for negative sign. Next, I would like to explain about how to draw a payoff diagram for basic option strategies. There are 3 steps that you need to follow in order to draw the payoff diagram for your option strategy. The first step, you need to choose your option contract. The second step, you need to calculate maximum profit, maximum loss, and break-even price. And the third step, you need to draw the and label the diagram. Let's say you have this example, okay? The question is prepare payoff diagram for long call strategy. Okay, so the question gives you one put option with a premium 68 and exercise price 1618, and then we have another option contract which is the call option with premium 83 and the exercise price 1668. So the question asks you prepare payoff diagram for long call strategy. So to draw the payoff diagram for long call strategy, first you need to choose your option contract. So we choose call option because you want to draw long call. So you put long, that means you buy call option, premium 83, exercise price 1668. So first step, you choose your option contract. Second step, you need to calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price. So all those formulas, you can refer to the main table of basic option strategy. So maximum loss for long call is negative premium. So negative premiums mean you take premium 83 and then you put sign negative. That means the premium is -3. That is your maximum loss. And then maximum profit from the formula is unlimited. Unlimited means you don't need to calculate the maximum profit. And then the break-even price, the formula is exercise price plus premium. So 1668 plus premium 83, you get 1751. So after you calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price, you need to draw and label your payoff diagram. So step number 3. So you need to remember the shape of the payoff diagram. For long call, this is the shape of the diagram. And then you need to label your exercise price and your break-even price. So exercise price you put at the point where your payoff line change the direction. So the exercise price is 1668. And then you put the premium, the break-even price where the payoff line intersect with the market price line. Then you put the value 1751 based on your previous calculation. And then you can put your maximum loss is at -83 based on your previous calculation. So you can draw your and label your payoff diagram. So this is for long call. So the step, choose your contract, calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, break-even price, and then draw and label your payoff diagram. Okay, next example for short call, prepare payoff diagram for short call strategy. So you have two option contract, put and call. Okay, so we use call option with premium 83, exercise price 1668. So step number 1, choose option contract. So short call, we use premium 83, exercise price 1668. Okay, so short call means you sell call option. Step number 2, calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price. So maximum loss, the formula is unlimited. Okay, all those formulas you need to refer to the main table for basic option strategies. Maximum profit, the formula is positive premium. So you put positive 83, and then break-even price, the formula is exercise price plus premium. So exercise price 1668 plus premium 83, you get 1751. So step number 3, you need to draw and label your payoff diagram. So this is the shape for short call. Okay, then you need to label the break-even price, which is at the point where payoff line cut market price line. You put it 1751. And then you need to label your exercise price 1668 at the point when the payoff line change the direction. And then the maximum profit in this case based on the previous calculation is positive 83. So you have your payoff diagram for short call. Next, prepare payoff diagram for long put strategy. Long put, then you have information from the question. You have put option, premium 68, exercise price 1618. So step number 1, you need to choose your option contract. Okay, so in this case, we choose put option with premium 68 and exercise price 1618. For long put, that's mean we buy put option. Step number 2, you calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price. So maximum loss is negative premium. The formula is negative premium. So you put -68. Maximum profit is unlimited, so you don't need to calculate the maximum profit. So break-even price is exercise price minus premium. So 1618 is the exercise price minus premium 68, so you get 1550. So step number 3, you need to draw and label your payoff diagram. So this is the shape for payoff diagram for long put. Then you need to label your break-even price where the market price line cut the payoff line. And then you need to label your exercise price where the payoff line change the direction, and then the maximum loss in this example is negative 68. So you just put the value for negative 68 as a maximum loss of this strategy. Next, prepare payoff diagram for short put strategy. So you have information from the market, put option premium 68, exercise price 1618. So to draw the payoff diagram for short put, step number 1, you need to choose your option contract. So you choose put option with premium 68, exercise price 1618. So step number 2, you need to calculate maximum loss, maximum profit, and break-even price. Maximum loss is unlimited. Maximum profit is positive premium, so positive 68. And break-even price is exercise price minus premium. So exercise price 1618 minus 68, which is the premium. So you get 1550. Then you can draw your payoff diagram. 1550 is the break-even price, where payoff line cut the market price line. 1618 is the exercise price for the put option contract. You label it at the point where payoff line change the direction. So you get the diagram for short put strategy. So that's all for payoff diagram of basic option strategies. Thank you.